Hey YouTube fam, this your boy Ray Mack. Look, we're gonna do is a 3 ingredients air fried chicken legs. We got hot sauce, and then we got some McCormick's garlic and onion seasoning, and then we're gonna use some of this here golden herb salt. And this is what we're gonna do for y'all. We're gonna take this here McCormick's garlic and onion seasoning on our chicken legs. Yes, we washed them and patted them dry. We want to sprinkle just enough to cover this here chicken legs up, and then we're gonna take some of this golden herb salt. You can find this at Sam's. I found both of these seasonings at Sam's. Put enough on there to where you're gonna be able to get a taste of it. And then we're gonna take some olive oil, and with that we're gonna go to the next process and throw in some of this here Texas Pete hot sauce. What's your favorite hot sauce? Do you like the Texas Pete? Because I love it, y'all. Comment below and let me know what type of hot sauce you like using on your food. Now what I want to do is I want to rub in all of these ingredients. Check me out while I'm rubbing and grubbing. Let's go, y'all. Don't go nowhere. You're going to miss something good. The next thing we want to do, preheat your oven, your air fryer to about 400 degrees, and then go ahead and start placing your chicken legs in that air fryer. Let's go. Now we're gonna let our chicken legs cook in that air fryer. Listen, I love this here that call this baby Big John. At 380 degrees for about 20 minutes. Let it cook at 380 degrees for about 20 minutes, and I'm telling you, it's gonna come out juicy. Now for the legs that I had that was extra, I just went on and I bagged them and I put them in the fridge for the next day. So once your chicken legs have cooked in the air fryer for about 20 minutes, go ahead and take your internal meat thermometer, and if it gets past 165, it's ready to eat, y'all. As you can see how juicy this chicken leg is. Look how the juice dripping from it, and it is up to temp. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and keep a couple of pieces in this here air fryer, and I just want to go ahead and throw me on some of this here Kinder's barbecue sauce, that Founder's Reserve. I'm telling you, there's some good stuff. You got to try it, y'all. So I wanted to try a couple of pieces without the barbecue sauce and a couple of pieces with the barbecue sauce. I'm just telling you something right now. You better get in there and try this here, y'all. This is some easy cooking, and you could definitely eat good. Now, if you're trying to eat a little bit more healthy without all the frying and stuff like that, trust me, go this route, and you will not be disappointed. No joke. So I just put these back in the air fryer, let it cook for about 5 minutes so that that barbecue sauce can stick to that chicken leg. And I'm telling you right now, y'all, here comes the taste test. And when I tell you that first bite got me with that little crispy skin, and the taste of those seasonings coming together, y'all, it went all together. Let me shut up so y'all can see what's going on in this video. But y'all go ahead and give this recipe a try. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, you're going to love it. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace. Love you guys.